The party's highest decision-making body is also likely to take a call on the role L.K. Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi and Sushma Swaraj will be given within the party. Sources say L.K. Advani has been offered the position of Lok Sabha Speaker. However, there is no clarity on M.M. Joshi and Sushma Swaraj. Aditi Anant Narayanan is joining us from the BJP headquarters. Aditi, apart from the celebration, there is some clarity required, especially as far as the old brigade of the BJP is concerned.
Absolutely. In fact, Maruk, when the Parliamentary Board meets today at the BJP headquarters in the national capital at around 12:30 p.m, what we're getting to know from our sources is, firstly, they will formally announce that Narendra Modi has won. He is going to become the Prime Minister of the country. So this has to happen in front of the Parliamentary Board. In fact, after this, a date is going to be decided where the Parliamentary Party meeting will be held and when Narendra Modi will be taking the oath as the next Prime Minister. However, it is all depends on Narendra Modi whether today he would want to discuss anything related to his cabinet. There are few sources who are telling us that there is a possibility that Narendra Modi takes up the cabinet after a day before he takes the oath of the Prime Minister. So exactly, it is very confusing at this point of time, and all depends on Narendra Modi whether he would want to take up the discussion of the senior leaders or whether he would want to keep it for a future date, which is either on a Monday or a Tuesday. But definitely Narendra Modi means business. He would want to tell the party members at the Parliamentary Board that enough of celebrations. He means business. He wants the country to go in a certain way in which he had promised the citizens of the country, and that is why he will be needing consensus from the Parliamentary Board, which comprises of all the senior leaders, whether we talk about L.K. Advani, Sushma Swaraj, Murli Manohar Joshi, Anant Kumar and Arun Jaitley. So clearly it is going to be a crucial meet, and if Narendra Modi chooses to decide who will be the members of his cabinet, it will be a big day for all the top brass and all the senior leaders who till now are extremely confused because they do not know what their future and fate in the Bharatiya Janata Party is going to be, or what their future and fate is going to be in Modi's government, Maruk.
Okay, Aditi Anant Narayanan, thanks so much for that. But one of the reasons that perhaps might be bothering Narendra Modi is the question of L.K. Advani, this old brigade that we are talking about. After all, L.K. Advani was the original Hindutva poster boy, the man behind the first saffron surge. Today, Narendra Modi surpassed his record by miles. As results became clear yesterday, L.K. Advani refused to credit the massive mandate to the Modi wave. But hours later at the BJP headquarters, he finally conceded that Modi had done what no other person in the country, in the BJP, could have hoped to achieve in this election.
Even victory could not hide the cracks. The incredible sulk returned on BJP's biggest day of victory.
मैं समझता हूं कि इसका डिटेल्स में एनालिसिस होना चाहिए कि इस प्रकार के परिणाम क्यों आए हैं। भ्रष्टाचार, महंगाई और कुशासन, ये तीन प्रमुख कारण बने हैं।
As Advani chose to credit the win to Congress's tireless efforts to defeat itself, it was clear that these bonhomie-infused episodes were just choreographed for cameras.
मैं नहीं जानता हूं कि हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास में किसी सरकारी दल ने इतनी मेहनत कभी पहले की हो जितनी ये लोग कर रहे हैं।
Modi did find a mention in the Patriarch's 5-minute impromptu speech, but it was only a half praise for his leadership.
जहां जहां हम पहले कभी नहीं जीते वहां पर भी जीत गए। उसमें नरेंद्र भाई मोदी के नेतृत्व का कितना योगदान है। फिर राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ के साथ जुड़े हुए जितने सारे संगठन हैं जिनमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक है, उन सबके साथ जुड़े हुए जो लोग हैं उनका कितना योगदान है, इन सब बातों को देखना पड़ेगा।
But outside the BJP headquarters, Advani could not just ignore the hysterical Modi chants.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी को दिया है, उसके आज के घोषित प्रधानमंत्री उम्मीदवार श्री नरेंद्र मोदी को दिया है।
And he finally gave credit where it was due.
पराक्रम नरेंद्र मोदी ने किया है
Advani has finally acknowledged the Modi factor. Now it remains to be seen if BJP's latest, greatest gives him an honourable posting in return. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.